chicken and eggs. Poultry, eggs, poultry, geese, ducks, and poultry are part of the supply management system. Under supply management, production is limited, prices are raised, and competitively tightened with the profits made through the cost of the artificially poultry and eggs paid for the consumer increase. Aquacultural in Canada agriculture system 191 to 59 tons of the aquifers were killed in 2018. Total agriculture outputs was 1.43 billion. Mink and fox are grown in Canada. The mink pellets produced in 2018 was worth $44 million. This value includes the faces of the dead animals and the spring faces. Others in recent years, farmers have been producing alternative crops that are economically viable and including organic farm crops. Sheep wool is a core area of fiber manufacture in Canada. Whole production was an average of the 16,000 to 22,000 pounds and 7,267 tons in 1935 and 9,835,000 pounds in 1949. Crops farmer can supplement their income with wax and honey and learn how to protect bees. Amazing landowners how have increased their success with the packaging and marketing. Sunflower seeds. The crops are not only for human consumption but also for animal consumption, which opens up a new market like cannery seeds, conies farming, or rabbits farming is another cattle's businesses in some areas. Marijuana is an important crop which accounts for 5% of the British Columbia in GDP according to the BC Business Magazine. The annual cost of this crop is 7.5 billion for the prevalence of its employ 2.5 million people. Canada's government department agriculture departments of the agriculture states that under the British North America Acts BF of the 1867, each province can have a jurisdiction over agriculture concern as well as Dominion government can legislate in a relation to agriculture. Nor Newfoundland and agricultural affairs were dealt with by the Department of the Natural Resources as agriculture divisions in the Confederation. In the BBA statements states that the federal government has full authority over coastal and indigenous fishing issues. The provinces only have rights to the sweet waters and fishing practices there. Canada's Department of Agriculture, the department work agriculture and the agri-foods. Canada is responsible for a policy governing agriculture production, farming revenues, research and development, inspections and animals and plants regulations headed by the Minister of Agriculture. Canada, the Dairy Commission of the Canada is responsible for providing productivity and investment beneficiaries to dairy producers and providing high quality dairy products to consumers. The Canadian Food Inspections Agency consolidates the delivery of the all federal foods, animals and plants health inspections program. Canadian Grain Commission is responsible for the grain industries chaired by the Agriculture and Agri-Foods Ministers. Canada's Weed Board, Fisheries and Seas. Canada is responsible for the conservation and sustainable use of Canada's fishery resources. The National Farm Produce Product Council is responsible for promotion, affecting and competitive agriculture in Canada and oversees the Canadian Ag Marketing Agency, Canada's Turkey's market.